So my name is Terri Bucher, and I just purchased a GLA 250 2022. Yes, I'm excited. It's great. We've been dealing, probably for the last several years on and off with different vehicles, and the new building is fantastic. So it's very beautiful. I would say the customer service, Mark for sure. I even go so far as to text him some of my questions and he responds right back. So that's important to me. I'm kind of a texter and I like answers sooner rather than later. I had one before. It was a 2019. And believe it or not, it's the biggest vehicle I've ever driven. I usually like them smaller. And I wanted to see how it was in the winter and everything, and I loved it. And it worked so well in the winter, and in Minnesota, you need that. So Mark's really it. Yeah, the service guys, when I drop it off, are just its routine checkups, which everybody's great, and I know some of the faces now and names. Even though I haven't really used it, some of your added values. You have, the coffee, and you have, you can get dropped off and picked up from the airport, and all those little extras. I love the fact they're offered. My name is Terri Bucher, and I just purchased a GLA 250 2022.